All right, everybody. First timers here. We're gonna do a thing, and there's like some girls I see. There's like a bass and a guitar there on Alvin's screen here. Hero's here. Say hi, Hero.
How's it going, YouTube? Alvin here with another great video. We're actually gonna do something a little different. We're not gonna be doing anything car related today, house related, dog related, nothing like that. We're actually gonna be jumping right into cryptocurrency. So you probably are kind of going around going, what is going on? Do I need to buy it? I've been procrastinating for how long? 8 years. I would say yes. It's always that question, do I need to jump in or is it too late? In my opinion, no. Now, please keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor in any way, but I kind of want to show you guys, if you are interested, where you can jump in and probably have the best experience known to man. And the link's going to be below, guys. So down at the bottom of this. Yeah, we're going to actually be having some fun today. It's going to be a little different style of a video. And I know Hero and my buddy John have been asking about how to get into Bitcoin and where they could buy it. Now, if I didn't like you, I would say go over to Robinhood. Go get it there. You can buy Bitcoins. Very simple, easy. You can do it on the phone. Now, if I do like you, and I know you're going to keep up with it, I would actually tell you to go to a website called eToro. I also added it in the link below. Now, this particular website will allow you to actually convert cash money directly into Bitcoin, actually pretty quickly as well. And the moment that you convert it and you have it in your possession, you can actually transfer it to a wallet or a ledger. So now you want to own it and it's yours. Now, this is the reason I chose this particular program. You can use Coinbase and other things, but I felt eToro was a little easier to use and everything was just snappy fast. I was able to buy $2,400 worth of Bitcoin in like 10 minutes. It was just that quick. So, guys, we're going to have you jump right in and I'll show you what we're doing, and I'm going to have Hero follow along as well. So what you're going to see here is the actual web page, which is eToro. And John, are you following along, John?
Yep, I have the web page up.
You have the web page? Okay, perfect. All right, so right now, this particular trading app has a lot of cool features.
Sorry, hey, hold on. Should I be following too?
Yeah, aren't you following?
No, I'm not.
Dang. Okay.
Hold on.
He's catching up. Hero is catching up.
It's okay. I'm glad that Alec Baldwin is like showing exactly where to look on my phone right now. He's like, hey dude, like, right here, buddy.
Right here.
Right here.
Yep.
And now I'm like clicking on continue, and he's just like, yep, that's it, right there.
That's it. I know. All right. So they're calling it a social trading app. So what's actually really cool about this app is you can actually follow somebody else's trades. So say you really didn't care for trading, but you really wanted to jump into stocks. You can actually go find somebody that you kind of like and kind of the same interest as you. And if you believe in their trading experience, any trades they make, you can have it so a trade makes the same trades on your account. And I don't know if that's a big thing for you guys, but that's huge. So I'm really stoked to actually show this off to Hero and John. But we'll kind of go through the walkthrough together with everybody so you guys can kind of see it. So you have the Join Now button. Obviously, just click on it there. Now you're going to want to create a username. So Hero, go ahead and create a username. John, same thing.
Give me a minute.
Yeah. Huh? Yep. Oops.
Give me a minute.
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
Spencer.
Like I said, I'm not somebody that's financially responsible for anybody on YouTube. Same thing with Hero or John. We're just here to kind of show you the walkthrough of how to do it and what you need to do. But what you are going to see right now is you're going to see me make a $2,400 trade right into Bitcoin. So this is really exciting and super fun for me because I love Bitcoin. And, you know, to make the story short, my buddy at one point, I think it was like 2011, he calls me and he's like, I don't know what Bitcoin is, but we need to get into it. And I was like, okay. And for like 2 weeks, I was kind of like, what is Bitcoin? And so we kind of went through it all, and I was kind of like, okay, this is kind of pretty crazy. But yeah, anyway, didn't mean to go on, get long-winded there. But next portion, so you're gonna enter your password and continue. Now it might send you a little link that you're gonna have to accept on your email, so go ahead and do that.
Okay.
Now,
verify my email.
Yep. All right, and then while we're waiting here, you see the screen that says "Welcome aboard." So it says "Let's continue." Obviously, you don't have to worry about saving a password. I'll close that here. Now you can create a profile. So go ahead, enter all your information. Obviously, it's blurred out to you guys because I don't want you to see how old I am.
What?
I'm a very old age. And now,
Not that old.
You're just a kid,
yeah, no.
yo.
But it's gonna ask you for your address, so make sure you put in your street address as well. And then it's gonna ask for your social security, so you're gonna also put that in there as well, and it's gonna be blurred to you guys, of course. Of course.
Do we have to put our actual name? Can we put a fake name?
No, this is
Something that's legal,
this
right?
is yeah. This is like Robin Hood, bro.
Oh, this is like Robin Hood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they have to send you a I think it's a W-9. So now my trading experience is obviously more than 3 years, so I'm clicking that, but I'll put yours if you're less than a year or 1 to 3. I usually trade for...
Count?
Huh?
Robin Hood count?
Yeah, open account.
Robin Hood count?
Oh yeah, Robin Hood counts, yes. But I usually do future planning, so long-term trading is usually my thing, but you can also do additional revenue if you want. But I'll click that, just because. So length of investment. So I'm going to be more than 3 years, so that's kind of what I'm going to be looking at. So I'm going to hit the little plus sign there. And then I guess I shouldn't say hit, I'm going to click on. All right, your attitude to risk. So I'm a very risky person. So right now, like I said, I'm going to be doing $2,400. Right now, to make a higher return often means taking bigger risk. So below, you're going to see 80% and negative 48%. So right now, with that big risk, you'll probably be able to make the most money. But a lot of people are very scared, and making your money, making $2,400 is really tough. So I don't usually tell people to throw all their money in. I wouldn't recommend it, but kind of test the water, play with it, put $5, $10 in and see what happens and go from there. Now this is going to be, if you have any family members that work in the industry or might be able to know insider trading, stuff like that, you're going to say none of these apply. Most people, it's not going to apply. Obviously now it's going to ask you where your source of income comes from. So obviously I'm going to say I'm a salary and I work in the IT field. So where's IT field here? And how far are you guys behind there?
Purpose of trading.
Purpose of trading.
I'm very behind. But it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Your
guys.
followers are probably gonna be like, hey, I can pass, create an account.
Yeah.
So
Create an account.
I know. So we'll kind of we'll wait right here while everybody catches up. Actually, I'll finish everything because I know you guys probably want to see the end of this here. So make sure you actually have
I
in.
also want to catch up with you.
I know you can catch up.
okay, so oh,
Cálmate.
just literally realized.
What do you mean? What do you realize?
No, my screen is so bright. I didn't see the box.
Mhm.
I was like, oh, geez, there it is. to check the box for accept terms and conditions. I was like,
where
is accept terms and conditions?
Where are your brightness protectors?
Yep. I know. I need to wear these big glasses that are just like super. You know, I should be snowboarding. That's exactly the
those yeah, they'll like go all the way across.
The snowboard goggles. That's what I need to be using as I traverse my way through the internet. Anyways, all right. Let's see. Let's have a link. Okay. So now I'm going to my email. Refresh.
They have short-term returns.
Additional. I mean, depends. So if it's a short term, that means you might want to, trade every other week. So you're trying to make money that way. Or if you're doing long term, you kind of just want to put it in and hold it. For you, I would probably say long term, since you want to jump into Bitcoin, and you want to be you don't want to hold, but you want to be a holder, and then you want to be able to try to trade when it's, obviously I hate one thing I hate about the stock market is you have to sit there and trade when it's high. So you're selling it when it's high, and then you're buying it when it's low. So that means there's gonna be a loser. Mm-hmm. So, just keep that in mind at any time. That's why I usually like to hold, because I'll just buy and hold. Yeah. And then, over time it'll go up. I don't like trying to, excuse my expression, but screw other people over. So, that's just one of those things. For me, I would just buy it, put it in, and it's kind of my future holdings. So.
Okay.
All right.
What the hell?
So from this screen, as you guys can see on my screen here, it says fund your account. It says amount $2,400 USD, payment method online banking, credit card, blah 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 blah. So now we're gonna sit there and go ahead and press the deposit button there, and you're all good. So once you get past this point, it's actually pretty quick.
So Alvin, why eToro versus Robinhood?
So the main reason that I want people to kind of use eToro right now is you can actually sit there and trade your Bitcoin that you purchase, or not trade it, but move it to an actual wallet. So say if you have a Nano S ledger, you'll be able to actually send your Bitcoin to that ledger, which is actually very cool, very simple. And I definitely would recommend buying one, just so you can actually move your actual currency to them. But again, right now for me, I'm testing the waters with it with $2,400. So I figured if I made a profit already, that I would sell a little bit of it, and I'd start buying other cryptocurrencies to see if I can get it to raise my number. So right now, what you'll see is the buy button. You can literally easily click on it. I changed it already to real. Right now it'll say embark on your cryptocurrency journey, blah blah blah. Go ahead and click got it. So that's kind of the just in simplicity of it. Once you're there, you'll have your you'll be able to actually choose how much you want to order. So right now it says trade. It gives you the dollar amount. Obviously I'm typing in 2,400. I actually 2,400. There we go.
That's cool.
And then right now, like I said, this was all done, we'll say within a matter of 10 minutes. That's how fast I was able to set up my account, set it up with my bank, and then you've just sent an order with 100% of equity with X1 leverage. And I was
Dude,
like,
nice. Because
so,
Robinhood won't allow you to deposit higher than a grand.
yeah, which is weird for you because I have Robinhood and I can go up to I think 20 grand.
What?
So I don't
why is that?
I don't know. Maybe because I was one of the first people on Robinhood, but that's a very interesting. I don't know.
It was so whack, dude. Because every day after the day I wanted to put all the money down, the money kept going up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
was
know.
like, yeah.
But like I said, and this actually made it pretty simple. And like I said, you have everything from XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Stellar Lumens, which actually have Stellar Lumens. I don't have it on here, but Tron Coin, which I've actually been really intrigued in. So I've been looking at buying that as well. So it gives me the option to sell. If you notice, I'm already in a negative so far, but you know, the price fluctuates quite a bit during the day, you know, so it's going to keep on fluctuating. Main reason that I put this amount of money in right now is just because they just had a oh man, what do they call it? Not a split, but a halving. Yes, thank you. Sorry. So Bitcoin just had a halving, and it's one of those things that I was kind of like, okay, it's time to buy some more. It probably is not going to go up right away, but I figured I can leave it in there right now and just kind of go, okay, this is it. I have it. It's there. And maybe a year and a half, 2 years from now, it's going to be at a different price point, and I'll be making, you know, I'll have made money.
How much of a full Bitcoin do you have right here?
Well, here, right now it's showing, I bought 0.26.
0.26 units, right? It's
Yeah.
in the units column?
Yeah, they call it units. I don't know why they call it units, but yeah. But so I bought a part of a Bitcoin, so I didn't buy a whole Bitcoin. Bitcoin, think of it as like $100 bill. That would be like your $100 bill, and then you'd have lower denominations. I know they've already kind of named them, but I don't know them. My concern is to always have a full Bitcoin, just so when it makes its bigger jumps, you're gonna see a bigger return. But again, like I said, I am not pushing anything on anybody. I am not qualified to push financial help or anything like that, but I just wanted to kind of showcase how to jump into Bitcoin pretty quick and easy. But like I said, it's really straightforward. Even down here with the coins, you can still even add in other coins like Ethereum, which actually I still have Ethereum Classic and a couple other coins that I've been buying. I got rid of all my Zcash, which I should have kept, but that's fine.
I feel like I'm a GTA 5 right now. Just like buying stocks, like doot on his phone. Just like the phone flips out and just like doot. It's, but I guess that's how easy it is.
Yeah.
You know.
No, and that's it's actually pretty simple. You know, we were able to do it within a matter of 10 minutes. I know the video is probably taking a little longer as we're kind of going through everything, but like I said, it's actually an amazing website. I would definitely recommend you guys to go and check it out. At least you don't have to sign up if you don't want to, but if you're interested in buying cryptocurrency, definitely go check it out. I have the link below in the description. Also, don't forget about John's YouTube channel as well. Like I said, his music's really cool. Hey, and we need those subscribes and likes below, so go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button. Also, you know, comment below as well. Let us know what you kind of think of this particular website. I know it's not Coinbase. I know everybody's used to Coinbase, but like I said, I do love this website and I do recommend it for everybody so far. And the ease was just so simple. I didn't have to wait 24 hours to do anything. It was just right there. Anyway, guys, see you later. First timers are out. Hero, say bye to everybody. Go ahead and wave. Later. He has a peace.
Have a good night. Stay safe.
Night. Yep.
Peace.
And John, say bye too. No way, say bye.
Bye.
I know, John going crazy.
Later, John. Thanks for
jumping in.
Thanks for having me, guys.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
All right. See you later.
All right. See ya.
Bye.